First things first, you need to learn how to hold a hook in yarn. And this is what it looks like in the end. Now I'm going to show you in slow-mo how I got here. So take your non-dominant hand and face it to you. For a righty, that means that's your left hand. For a lefty, that means it's your right hand. Now put your piece in front of your palm and then pay attention to the yarn that's connected to the yarn ball. That's called the working yarn. That's the one you care about using. You can totally ignore the yarn that's been cut off. So wrap your piece once around your hand so that your piece is now behind your hand. Now bring it up over your index finger and then hold on to it with your thumb and your middle finger. And the way that you know that you're holding onto your piece correctly is that the stitch marker should be on the same side as your non-dominant hand, and then this little loop should be on the upper other side that's closer to your dominant hand. So the thing that's important to keep note of here is what's called the tension of the working yarn, which is the tension of the yarn from your finger to the piece. And that's because that affects how easy or difficult it's going to be for you to pull this yarn through other loops. So it affects how even your stitches look and how easy it's going to be for you to ultimately crochet. So if you pull your finger further away from you, then this tension becomes tighter. You'll make tighter stitches. And if you bring your finger closer to you, this yarn becomes looser. The last step is adding in the hook. Just stick it in the loop, and you can either hold it like a knife or like a pencil. Just do whatever is comfiest for you. And the last thing to pay attention to is that you want your hook to be in front of the working yarn, and you want the tip of the hook to face you.